Hey, what's up YouTube? I have two unboxings for you. One's on a knife, that one right there. And the other one, I'm pretty sure it's my handcuffs. I'm pretty sure, I still don't know. Because I ordered like a couple things. So let's get started. This is $39.99. I got it at Big Five, but it was on sale. I got it for $10. I'm a security guard, so that's the reason I buy these things. I bought these things. So this is a knife. It's like a rescue knife type thing with the belt cutter and the window breaker, the glass breaker. Let me see if I can open it with one hand. That's the blade. It's a pretty good knife. It's pretty sharp. Overall, pretty good knife. I like it. Hopefully it gets the job done. And to close it, you just push this in. So that's the knife. Now let me get the handcuffs open. Wow, it's a little hard. I'm probably gonna pause the video so I can get it like out. I finally got them out. These aren't good handcuffs, but for what I need them, they'll do the job. So let me open them for you guys. The key comes with two keys. I've already bought some of these, but I gave them to my cousin. And these are the handcuffs. These are pretty good. They have the double lock right there. If you guys want a review on any of these products, just comment and I'll do a review on them. Probably a test too. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. See you later.